Hi, this is Jason and I'm from Apple Mastery. Today I'm going to guide you through some troubleshooting steps that you can take if you're having issues with your iPhone not charging. Having a dead iPhone when you wake up in the morning with many important tasks to complete and people to keep in touch with can be a nightmare given how much we tend to rely on our phones these days. So I'm going to guide you through some troubleshooting steps that you can try to get your phone back up and working. So one of the first steps that you can do is try a forced restart. So you just press and hold down the power button and the home button at the same time and keep on holding it down for about 10 seconds. Just like that. If you're using an iPhone 7, just press and hold the side button and the volume down button instead and keep on holding that for 10 seconds. So the next step is to plug your iPhone into power and leave it for about an hour. So when you plug it in, you should see the charging icon in the top right hand corner. So you've just got the charging icon up there. So if you're not seeing the charging icon, just leave it for connected to power for about an hour and then test it again. If you're still not seeing the charging icon or the charging screen, after about an hour, just test with a different USB cable, a power adapter and a power point. One of the other things, also confirm just in there that the connection is free of debris and there's no physical damage to the connection. One of the other things, Apple do recommend that you do use Apple brand products for charging. I'm using a Belkin one here. I do find them to be quite reliable and a lot of them do also have warranties for devices connected to it, but you can also check with an Apple brand device. One of the other things to confirm is that other electrical devices are working from the same power points, that there's nothing silly like a power blackout or anything like that. But after that, if you're still having issues and the screen is still black and it's not responsive, then you may need to take the phone in for repair. Repairs can be done at your local Apple authorized service provider or Apple retail store. And you can make an appointment at getsupport.apple.com. I'll leave the link in the description below. And I hope that you've enjoyed the troubleshooting guide and it's got your phone back up and working. If you've liked the video, please like, subscribe and share. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.